Can you believe it is New Year's once again? You know what time it is. Time to buy those fresh collards from the grocery store, prepare them, and have a delicious New Year's meal. A southern Appalachian meal always has to have fresh collards. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare these the way they have been prepared in my household for many generations. So to start, you want to break off a stalk from the collard green head. Then you're going to basically fold it in half, removing that middle stem. There is a learning curve to this, and after a couple of stalks, you will eventually figure out how to fold it in half and rip it off in one pull. But it is fun. And you just keep doing this until you get to this soft center part. I don't really like to use many from the center because they don't have a flavor similar to the outer leaves. As you can see, there is a color difference, and they're also quite softer, but you can most definitely use them if you wish. Then you want to make sure you wash each leaf very well. This is done to ensure that you remove all the dirt and debris that may be still remaining on them. Then, once they're washed, take the leaves. You can cut them, but I like to tear them into small strips just because it is easier for me. And then you're ready to cook them up. It is simple as that. All you have to do is put them in a pot with some chicken stock or water and some seasoning. So I hope you enjoyed that short tutorial and find it helpful. Happy New Year's!